Hello! Welcome to Virgo Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. Take only what resonates, okay? Hindi po ito magra-resonate sa lahat. Unfortunately, hindi ko makukuha lahat ng energy ng Virgo sa mundo. So, kung hindi ka nakaka-relate, nakaka-resonate sa mga sinasabi ko, okay lang yun. May mga next readings pa tayo. Let's start. What do we have here for the sign of Virgo? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. Kung ayaw mo na ganitong klaseng reading, may choice ka naman. Pwede ka mag-next video. Okay? Kung gusto mo magpabook ng personal reading, Madam P, baka hindi mo yun ma-search sa Facebook. So, ang i-search mo ay hashtag Virgo Philippines. Okay. Let's start. Seven of Diamonds. Ayan. So, what's with the Seven of Diamonds? Seven of Hearts. Wow. Isang card pa. For the sign of Virgo. Eight of Hearts. Wow. Wait lang, guys. Okay. Galing ko lang kasi sa sakit. So, anyway. You do have here the Seven of Hearts, Eight of Hearts, saka Seven of Diamonds. Okay. So, nakikita ko ito. This is your main energy, ha? By the way, pwede magkapalit-palit ng roles. Kahit sinasabi kong ikaw, pwedeng person mo to. So, nakikita natin ito as, like, this is positive card, by the way. Kung ano man yung mga desisyon na ginagawa mo ngayon, whether sa love, whether sa money, ayan, nakikita natin ito na parang in the future, magbubunga siya ng maganda for you. Like, this is positive card. Kung naman yung mga desisyon na yan with the Two of Spades, meron ka talaga mga desisyon na ginagawa. Which is ang magbe-benefit naman dito in the future is ikaw din. Okay? So, ituloy-tuloy mo lang. I mean, these are lucky numbers. Person nakakonect na Virgo. Okay. You do have here the Ten of Diamonds and the Nine of Spades, Seven of Spades. You're dealing with someone na pwedeng nagkakaroon siya ng mga financial difficulties, problems, or hindi siya happy sa kung nasaan siya ngayon, happy sa trabaho, sa negosyo niya, or what. This is a person who is kind of like thinking na parang ayoko na nito. Whatever source of income ang meron siya ngayon, pwedeng hindi siya happy doon, gusto niyang palitan, or may problem, financial problem, and career problem. So, pwedeng Two of Spades, nagkakaroon siya ng pagdidesisyon, or meron na siyang desisyon na I want to get out of this situation with the Six of Spades. Ayoko ng sitwasyon na to. Queen of Hearts, this is a person na nakikita natin who is a lot of admiration, pagmamahal, or pagkagusto sa'yo. Alin man doon. Kasi pwedeng yung iba pagkagusto, yung iba pagmamahal, na nararamdaman itong person ito. Pero, parang sa isip-isip niya, wait lang, gusto kita, mahal kita, pero parang gusto ko muna mag-focus sa finances ngayon. Kasi parang nakakahiya naman yata na nandyan ka, na itutuloy yung connection, or i-connect ko ang sarili ko sa'yo, tapos ako hindi pa ako stable, hindi pa ako okay. So, looking forward itong person na to na maayos yung kanyang finances. Well, ikaw, I feel like ang tingin mo kasi, or ang mas iniisip mo is the future. Okay, so, emotion ninyo sa isa't isa na person na ito, etong tatlong card na to, I will take this as additional message Two of Clover is here. Ace of Diamonds, tsaka Two of Spade. Okay? Sa side ng person na kakonect mo, emotion niya para sa'yo. Okay. Five of Diamonds, Four of Hearts, Nine of Diamonds. Okay. Some of you, with the Two of Spade, sabi ko nga kanina, more on, I don't know, pero, yung iba sa inyo, this could be, twin flame connection. Ang dami kong mirroring cards na nakikita, which is in a weird way. Kung may twin flame connection dito, definitely may separation. Kasi may, twin cards, but it's like weird yung pagkaka-twin niya. So, this could be a twin flame connection, pero separation is on the horizon right now. Emotion mo for your person, actually, wala ako eto, dalawa nakuha kong energy. Yung iba sa inyo, if you're dealing with the twin flame, Five of Hearts, pwede ngayon nagkakaroon ng kalungkutan sa connection nito. You still love Jack of Hearts and Ten of Hearts itong person na to. Ganun din itong person na to. I mean, there's a lot of love here. Yan. Mas nakikita ko dito is like an infinity kind of symbol. So, parang ang hirap nang sabihin kung kailan makakalimutan or tatapusin itong emotion na to, kasi definitely kahit mag-ilang taon pa, kahit mag-ilang generation pa, parang ganun, the love is still there. Ang hirap kalimutan. Seven of Hearts, this person is daydreaming about you. Alam mo yung energy, is energy ng person mo. So, dine-daydream ka niya, iniisip ka niya, and ikaw kasi ang focus mo dito sa new beginning, new love, or new connection, or new pagkakaabalahan pagdating sa pera. Pagdating sa past, nandun yung there's something about this person na nakapagpasakit, nakapagpalungkot sa'yo, at hindi ka para mag-focus doon. It's full of negativity para sa'yo. Yeah, you could be dealing with two people. Yung iba sa inyo, Two of Clover, wala more on material ang nakikita natin dito. Focus mo is material matter. The person nakakonect mo, Five of Diamonds. Diba sabi ko siya, nagkakaroon siya ng problem financially. Four of Hearts, I feel like itong person na to is hindi siya satisfied or hindi siya sigurado sa kung nasaan siya ngayon. A lot of problem. Hindi lang financial problem, but kind of like personal problem. Meron siyang mga like kailangan harapin sa sarili niya, yung shadow side niya or whatever. The Nine of Diamonds, this is showing to me as a connection wherein yung person na ito, siya yung tipo na tao na dyan lang siya pag kailangan mo siya. Pero, as much as possible, kasi hindi mo siya kinakailangan. Ayaw mo siyang kailanganin. Okay. What will happen in the near future for the both of you? Six of Spades and the Three of Hearts. Dalawa yung, guys, dalawang energy na kukuha ko nga. So, alin man doon. Yung iba could be a twin flame connection. Yung iba could be another person, new person. It doesn't matter kung ano saan ka makaka-relate. Four of Clover is here. King of Spades, Ace of Spades, and the Seven of Clover. Some of you, the moment na ikaw ay nag-move on na from the past, there's this Three of Hearts. Someone is coming back sa buhay mo while you are moving on. While you're on the stage of, you know, focusing on yourself, focusing on your life. May pabalik sa buhay mo. Well, could be a person in the past. Four of Clover, may dala-dala siyang like an offer of a new beginning na pwedeng with the Four of Clover, it's something stable. Seven of Clover, this is the person na nakakatulong para mas ma-develop yung skills mo. Your talents. Somehow, siya yung tipo ng tao na nandito ako to help you. Or kahit wala siyang ginagawa, it's just you na parang mas naiengganyo ka na mag-focus sa sarili mo. Aralin yung mga gusto mo pang aralin. I-develop ang sarili mo, skills mo. And yung tulong ng taong ito, as an advisor, maybe in the past, so pabalik itong person na to make changes. May pag-move in akong nakikita, paglipat in the near future. So either itong person na to ang lilipat malapit sa'yo, to travel malapit sa'yo. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.